So good morning all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Okay, in the last class we have discussed 28 problems, I think so. So in the last class, we have completed the 28 problems. So we need to complete the rest of the problems. Okay, one more thing I would like to share with you. I hope you know that Andhra Pradesh intermediate examinations were results were announced. Those who are going to appear for this advanced supplementary, so you can make use of my videos. Actually videos are available, more than 800 videos are available in our channel, YouTube channel, so you can suggest to your friends so that they may get good marks. And moreover, actually I have completed the videos on 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. I think most of the topics have been covered, so that they will go through them. Definitely they will get 75 and 75 marks. And moreover, this is the actually meant for this is meant for EAMCET 2020 classes, that is this one. We have been discussing functions, right? 30th question. Okay, I could remember 30th question. So what was the last question? Could you just repeat me? I think the 29th question we have discussed log x to the base 2. Am I correct? Log x to the base 2. Okay. Am I audible to you, all of you? Am I audible to you all you? Is it audible to you or not? Preeti, Suma, Monica, Hariprasad, Karthik, audible. Okay, no problem. No problem. Right. So Mukesh, Vandanap, you might be new. Konda Joshi. Yes, yes. Right. Dishu Dishwank. Venkat Raghuram. Harsha Sampath. Vallabh. Preeti. Mahendra. Thank you all. Thank you, Prasanna. Swati. Thank you. Bye bye. Right, see you. Okay. Right. Let us start our session. Functions. Part 5. Part 5. 30th question. 30th question. Let f maps into y be a function defined as f of x equals to 4x plus 3, where y belongs to n such that y equals to 4x plus 3, same function itself only, 4x plus 3, the inverse of f, the inverse of f, the inverse of f. No problem, Mamshi. First option, g of y equals to y minus 3 upon 4. Second option, g of y upon 3y plus 4, 3. Third, g of y equals to 4 plus y plus 3 upon 4. Fourth option, g of y equals to y plus 3 upon 4. This is the question. So now okay, f maps n to y be a function defined as f of x equals to 4x plus 3, then y is equal to given, then inverse of f we need to find out. Inverse of f means very simple. In the place of minus sign, x minus 3 means x minus 3 by 4 you can write. That is actually f inverse x. Even you can say g of x, but you need to find out in terms of y. So put in the place of x y, you get y minus 3 by 4. So first option is the right option. But let us do it now. Solution 30. Solution. So f of x equals to 4x plus 3. Now f inverse x equals to, you can write here, so you can follow this strategy. Change this sign minus, and we need to write like this, x minus 3 upon this coefficient of 4 we need to write 4. Say this is g of x. So x is the dummy variable. We need g of y. G of y equals to y minus 3 by 4. So you check the option. The first option is the right option. (31). Question number 31. If f maps R to R, f maps R to R, right, G maps R to R, functions defined by f of x equals to 3x minus 2, g of x equals to x square plus 1, x square plus 1. Then G circle f inverse of 2 we need to find out. First option 25 upon 9, second option 25 upon 3, third option 16 upon 9, fourth option 4 upon 3. This is the question. Okay, I will check it now. I will check. I think now it is okay right now. Okay, now let us solve this problem. See, first f maps R to R, G maps R to R, functions defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, g of x equals to x square plus 1. Then G circle f inverse of 2 we need to find out. That means first we need to find out f inverse x we need to find out. So first let us find out f inverse x. So f inverse x is given by, we have the shortcut, f inverse x shortcut. See, this f inverse x equals to, in the place of minus put plus sign x plus 2 by this constant 3, and we need to find out f inverse 2. F inverse 2, that is 2 plus 2, 3, 4 by 3. Now let us come to the question now. Let us come to the question. What is the question here? G circle f inverse of 2. This can be written G of f inverse 2. So f inverse 2 is replaced by 4 by 3. G of 4 by 3. We have G of x is defined as x square plus 1. Now G of 4 by 3. This is equal to 4 by 3 whole square plus 1. That is 16 by 9 plus 1. So 9 LCM, 16 plus 9. So 25 upon 9. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, now let us move to the next question. 32. 32. 32. Right. If the functions f and g are defined by f of x equals to 3x minus 4, g of x equals to 2 plus 3x. For x belongs to R, then G inverse of f inverse 5 equals to, first option 1, second option 1 by 2, third option 1 upon 3, fourth option is none. This is the question. So that means first we need to find out both inverses, f inverse x as well as g inverse x. After that f inverse phi we need to find out. After that g inverse of f inverse of phi we need to find out. So first let us write. So f inverse x. See, f inverse x means you write down x in the place of minus plus, write down plus 4, x coefficient is 3 by 3. Now find f inverse phi. F inverse phi value equal to 5 plus 4 upon 3. 9 by 3 whose value is 3. Now let us find out g inverse x. The g inverse x equals to, we can write x in the place of plus 2 minus 2, write down x coefficient is 3, x minus 2 upon 3. So now we need to find out g inverse of f inverse phi. So f inverse of phi equal to 3. So g inverse of 3, that is 3 minus 2 upon 3 equals to 1 by 3. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Problem number 33. Right, 33 question. If f of x equals to 1 upon x and g of x equals to root x are real functions, then g times root f of x equals to first option x to the power of 1 by 4, second option 1, third option x to the power of minus 1 by 4, fourth option 1 upon root x. F of x is defined as 1 by x, g of x equals to root x are real functions, then g root f of x we need to find out. Now the solution, g root f of x equals to, we can write g of x root of f of x. G of x is root x and root of 1 by x. Root x times 1 by root x. Root x cancel. We have 1. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Thirty 34. Question number 34. Question number 34. If f of x equals to x upon root of 1 minus x square g of x equals to x upon root of 1 plus x square, then f circle g of x. First option, x upon root of 1 minus x square. Second option, x upon root of 1 plus x square. Third option, 1 minus x square upon root of 1 plus x square. Fourth option is x. This is the question. F of x equals to x upon root of 1 minus x square. G of x equal to x upon root of 1 plus x square. Then we need to find out f circle g of x. That is f of g of x we need to find out. Okay, 34th solution. 34th solution. So f circle g of x is defined as f of g of x. That means f of, in the place of g of x, we can write x upon root of 1 plus x square. But since what is f of x? F of x is defined as, according to the problem, we have x upon root of 1 minus x square. That means in order to evaluate this one, in the place of x, x upon root of 1 plus x square need to be replaced. So now replacing here x upon root of 1 plus x square upon root of 1 minus the square, because x square we have, x square by 1 plus x square. This equals to x upon root of 1 plus x square root of 1 plus x square is the LCM, 1 plus x square minus 1. Sorry, minus x square cancel. This we can write x root of 1 plus x square times, this is root of 1 plus x square by 1. So root of 1 plus x square, root of 1 plus x square gets cancelled. We have x. So x is the answer. I think option might be right. Right. Fourth option. 35th question. 35th question. Okay. 35th question. If f of x equals to f of x equals to x to the power of 4 plus 5x square plus 1, then f of 1 by x equals to, okay, I will come back, don't worry. Then f of 1 by x. First one, f of x upon x to the power of 4. Second one is f of x upon x cube. Third one, x square times f of x. Fourth one, x to the power of 4 times f of x. This is the question. Okay, all of you go through the question, look at the screen. F of x equals to x to the power of 4 plus 5x square plus 1. Then f of 1 by x we need to find out in terms of f of x. In terms of f of x we need to find out. Okay. 35th solution. 35th solution. What is given? F of x equals to x to the power of 4 plus 5x square plus 1. So now we need to find out f of 1 by x. That means in the place of x, 1 by x. You can write 1 by x whole to the power of 4 plus 5 times 1 by x whole square plus 1. So this can be written 1 upon x to the power of 4 plus 5 upon x square plus 1. Here take LCM x to the power of 4. So 1 plus x to the power of 4 divided by x square, you get x square into 5x square. X to the power of 4 into 1 plus x to the power of 4. See, it's very clear that, see, x to the power of 4 plus 5x square plus 1 equal to f of x. So we can write this is f of x upon x to the power of 4. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. X, f of x upon x to the power of 4. Sixth question. 36th question. If f of x equals to cos square x plus sin x to the power of 4 upon sin square x plus cos x to the power of 4. For every x belongs to real numbers, for each real number, then f of 20 equals to first option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. This is the 36th question. See the solution. Here f of x equals to cos square x plus sin x to the power of 4 upon sin square x plus cos x to the power of 4. For every x belongs to R, then we need to find out f of 20 we need to find out. So that means first of all if you substitute 2020, cos square 2020 plus sin 20 whole to the power of 4 upon sin square 2020 plus cos 2020 whole to the power of 4. So we won't get any answer. That means we need to simplify it. So that's why, see, this f of x we can write. Now the cos square x can be written 1 minus sin square x from trigonometry plus sin x to the power of 4 write down. This again upon the sin square x we can write 1 minus cos square x plus cos x to the power of 4. Okay. So in the numerator, actually, from minus sin square x plus sin x to the power of 4, take minus sin square x common. If you take minus sin square x common, 1 minus sin square of 1 minus sin square x upon, from in the denominator here also minus cos square x common, 1 minus cos square x common here, we have 1 minus cos square x. From trigonometry, 1 minus sin square x is cos square x, 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. This equals to, we can write 1 minus sin square x, the 1 minus cos square sin square x is cos square x upon 1 minus, this 1 minus cos square x is sin square x times cos square x. Both numerator denominator are same, 1, because it's a constant function. Since it is a constant function, for any value always it will be 1. So therefore f of 2020 is 1. Not only 2020, even in the year 2021 also answer is 1. Even after some thousands of years also, the answer always 1 itself only. Good morning, Kapilavai Bhargavi. Bhargava. Ishwaraya DSC. So first option is the right option. 37. If F maps R to R, G maps R to R, are defined by f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. minus 3. Akshay Reddy, Vavilala. G of x equals to 3x minus 4 and F circle G of x equal to 32 for the values of x, say x1 comma x2, then x1 cube plus x2 cube equals to, first option 165, second option 26, third option 16, fourth option minus 16. This is the question. Right. Okay. F maps R to R, G maps R to R, are defined by f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 3, g of x equals to 3x minus 4, and f circle g of x is equal to 32 for the values of x. Here x values are x1 comma x2. Then we need to find out x1 cube plus x2 cube. So that means first we need to find out f of g of x, that is equated to 32. Then x1 comma x2 be the roots of that equation. That might be we may get a quadratic equation. Then if x1 x2 comma are the roots of a quadratic equation, easily we can find out x1 cube plus x2 cube. Okay, so this will be the strategy we need to apply. Okay, 37 solution. 37 solution. So make it 2 sessions here. So now what is given here actually? F of x equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. Am I correct? G of x is defined by 3x minus 4. Okay, first let us find out f circle g of x, that is f of g of x. So that is f of 3x minus 4. Now we need to find out f of 3x minus 4. That means, right, Pramila. So in the place of f of x, in the place of x, replace 3x minus 4. So this equal to 3x minus 4 whole square plus 2 times of 3x minus 4 and minus 3. Okay, we need to simplify this one. This equal to 9x square a minus b whole square, 2ab, 2 4 ja 8 minus 24x plus 16 plus 6x minus 8 minus 3. So we need to simplify this one. 9x square minus 24x plus 6x minus 18x. This will be plus, how much you will be getting? 11. 16 minus 11, 5. But what is given? F circle g of x is given that 32. 32. Okay. Now 9x square minus 18x plus 5 equal to 32. 9x square minus 18x minus 27 equals to 0. Because 9 is a multiple of 9, 18 is also multiple of 9, 27 is also a multiple of 9. Divide by 9. You get x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Easily we can factorize it. This will be x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 1 equals to 0. That means you can say x1 equals to minus 1, x2 equals to 3, x1 cube plus x2 cube minus 1 plus 27 is 26th is the answer. 26th. That means second option is the right option. Am I correct now? Second option is the right option. Okay, right. You can take 3x minus 4 is equal to t, but you need to write x in terms of t. That's the problem. Right. 38 question. 38. Question number 38. If f of x equals to x plus 1 upon x minus 1, provided x does not equal to 1, because if x is equal to 1, it's not defined. Okay. Then f circle, f circle, f circle, f circle, f circle 1 2 3 4 5 5 times x equals to first option x, second option is f of x, third option is minus x, fourth option is minus f of x. Okay, I will check later, don't worry. See, f of x equals to x plus 1 by x minus 1, where x does not equal to 1. F circle f, circle f, circle f, circle f of x we need to find out. So that means actually we have one shortcut. Let me explain one shortcut. This will be very, very useful. Shortcut. If f of x equals to, always this must be same only, x plus 1 by x minus 1, x does not equal to 1, then first point, f circle, f circle, f circle, f circle, and so on, circle of x. That means even number, that will be x. Second, f circle, f circle, f circle, f circle, and so on, f of x. Odd number of f's, odd number of f's is f of x. Here count it, 1 2 3 4 5. So answer is f of x. Answer is f of x. Because what happens means, basically here f circle f of x, you will get x in this one. This is the reason. See, f circle f of x is equal to x, again remains f of x itself. This is the fact. This is the basic fact. Okay. 39. If g of x equals to 1 plus root x and f of g of x equals to 3 plus 2 root x plus x, then f of x equals to, first option 1 plus 2x square, second one 2 plus x square, third 1 plus x, fourth 2 plus x. This is the question. So that means now we need to define f of x here. G of x is given that 1 plus root x, whereas f of g of x is given that 3 plus 2 root x plus x. Now we need to define f of x. We need to define the function of f of x. Understood now? Okay, g of x equals to 1 plus root x, f of g of x equals to 3 plus 2 root x plus x. Then we need to define f of x. So now this f circle g of x I will write like this, f of g of x. So for our convenience I will write like this, 1 plus, or this I will write like this, 2 plus 1 plus 2 root x plus this x I will write root x whole square. So if you observe this one, this will be in the form of, this we can write no problem, 1 square right. This appears to be a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but a plus b whole square. So this we can write 2 plus 1 plus root x whole square. That means here in the place of g of x, replace 1 plus root x. That means we get like this, f of 1 plus root x equals to 2 plus 1 plus root x whole square. Here 1 plus root x is dummy. So let us replace 1 plus root x by x. Therefore, now f of x is defined as 2 plus x square. This is the function. That means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. One minute, I will come to. Next 40. Problem number 40. If f of x equals to cos of integral part of pi square of x plus cos of integral part of minus pi square of x, where this is integral part of x is a greatest integer function, then first option f of 0 equals to 1, second option f of pi by 4 equals to 2, third option f of pi by 2 equals to minus 1, fourth option f of pi equals to 1. This is the question. No, Narendra, please let me, because here in our viewers even other than Telangana and Andhra Pradesh people are there. They may not understand. Okay, please try to understand. I am using very simple language. Okay, next time I will use it. Don't worry. Solution. 40 solution. Okay. No problem. You can watch, Narendra. Right, you can leave. You can make a move. So first let us find out here what is given. Actually f of x function is cos integral part of pi square of x plus cos of integral part of minus pi square of x. First we need to define f of x, then after that we need to check options one by one. We need to check it now. Right now pi square, let us find out. Pi square means pi is approximately equal to 3.14 whole square. What is 3.14? 314 into 314. Let us multiply. 16, 5, 1256. Here 4, 1, 3. Okay. 3 4 ja 12. 4, 9. 6, 9, 5, 8, 9. How many points? 4 points. 9.8596. We can write 9.9, no problem. 9.9. So this approximately equal to, we can write 9.9. So now the integral part of pi square. The integral part of pi square is integral part of 9.9, whose value is 9. Now integral part of minus pi square. Integral part of minus 9.9 is actually, it must be less than x. Less than x means integer is minus 10, you need to take. Minus 10. Greatest integer function means only integral part. In 9.9, 9.9 is equal to, we can write 9 plus 0.9. So integral part means, in this one, what is the integral part? 9. So you get 9. This is the concept. Okay. So now f of x becomes cos 9x plus cos of minus 10x plus cos 10x only. Go to option wise. First option. What is the first option? We have first option is f of 0. F of 0 means cos 0 plus cos 0. That is 1 plus 1, 2. But what is given actually? 1. 2 does not equal to 1. First option has been eliminated. First option has been eliminated. Second option, f of pi by 4. That is cos 9 pi by 4 plus cos 10 pi by 4. This will be 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja. This is the odd multiple of pi by 2 means this becomes 0. Only we need to find out cos 9 pi by 4. 9 into 45. How much will be getting? 9 5 ja 45. 405. Cos 405 degrees. Cos 405 means cos 360 plus 45. 1 by root 2. But what is given? 2 given. Does not equal to 2. So second option has been eliminated. Second option has been eliminated. Understood now? Go to third one. Third one is f of pi by 2. F of pi by 2 means you get cos 9 pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. Cos, here cos 10 into pi by 2. 5 pi. Cos 5 pi. So that means here cos odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0, plus we can write this is cos n into this 5 pi means you can write 3 pi also. Cos 5 pi, cos n pi equals to, we have one formula. This is minus 1 to the power of n. So minus 1 to the power of n. So you remember this formula. This we can write now minus 1 to the power of 5. Minus 1 to the power of odd number is minus 1. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. మీరు తెలుగులో, ఎందుకంటే చాలా మంది మనకు తెలుగు వాళ్ళే కాదు త్రూఅవుట్ కంట్రీ చూస్తుంటారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకు తెలుగులో చెప్తే అర్థం కాదు కాబట్టి యూ వాంట్ టు నో అబౌట్ మై తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్. ఐ నో తెలుగు, but generally I don't use the Telugu because of my viewers are, most of the viewers are from even Kashmir to even Kanyakumari. Understood now? That's why I need to confine to the English language, that is a universal language. Because as far as my concerned, the mathematics does not require any language. Math itself is its own language. Thank you. Question number 41. Where is Narla? Where is Dishwank? If e power f of x equals to 10 plus x upon 10 minus x, x belongs to minus 10 comma 10, Narla is there. I am from Hyderabad. Avinash, where are you from? And f of x equals to k times f of 200x upon 100 plus x square. Then k equals to first option 0.5, second option 0.6, third option 0.7, fourth option 0.8. This is the question. Where is Suma? Where is Madhurima? Prasanna, Avinash, Mahindra, Pramila, Tippavajjila. Where is Tippavajjila? Okay, Dishwank is there. Right. 41 solution. Okay, you are from Eluru, right? E raised to f of x, given that 10 plus x upon 10 minus x. So f of x equals to, we can write log of 10 plus x upon 10 minus x to the base e. That means this exponential function we have changed. Okay, Pramila is there, Prasanna is there. What about Suma? Oh, okay, you are there. Right. Now let us find out f of 200x plus 100 plus x square log of 10 plus, in the place of x 200x write down, by 100 plus x square. What about Venkateshwar? Narla is there. 10 minus 200x 100 plus x square. Right. This equals to log of, we can write 100 into 10, 1000 plus x square plus 200x upon 100 plus x square, 100 plus x square cancel, 1000 plus x square minus 200x. Okay. So this can be written this can be written log 10 plus x upon 10 minus x whole square. This can be written 2 times log of 10 plus x upon 10 minus x. You check it. So now this is nothing but f of x. So that means this will be 2 times f of x you will be getting. So comparing in the question, sorry, here mistake is there in the simplification. Wait 1 minute, I will rectify it. So thank you for reminding me. 100 in 10 into 100, 1000 plus 10 into x square, 10x square. Am I correct? Plus 200x. This will be 1000 plus 10x square minus 200x. Here take 10 common, you get same thing itself only. So now actually if you come to the question, what happens now? Here we have this 2f of x is equal to, we get k times f of 200x upon x square. This will be again equal to f of x. This f of x gets cancelled. Wait now, I will get it now. So now here f of x is equal to, we get like this, k times, this is 2 f of x. So now the k value equal to 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. So first option is the right option. Here we need to take 10 common. Here from this one 10 common, here also 10 common. You get x square plus 20x plus 100, x square minus 20x plus 100, which is nothing but 10 plus x by 10 minus x whole square. Right. 42. Question number 42. This is very important problem now I am going to discuss, because actually this question might be appeared for so many times, because I have been observing for, already told you, even last 30 years, 28 years. See, if f of x equals to a minus x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n, where a greater than 0. Conditions are very important in mathematics, but no problem, you can ignore, but for us it's very important. And n belongs to n, natural number. Then f circle f of x equals to, first option is a, second option is x, third option is x to the power of n, fourth option is a to the power of n. This question is very important for EAMCET, EAMCET, ICET, EDCET, even DSE. even for selection of the teachers also. This question is very, very important. 42nd question. Okay, f of x is defined by a minus x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n, where a greater than 0 and n belongs to n. We need to find out f circle f of x. So let us find out f circle f of x. That is f of x. That is f of a minus x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n. So that means in the place of x substitute this value a minus x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n whole to the power of this n again whole to the power of 1 by n. So now we need to open the brackets now. N gets cancelled. A minus a plus x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n. A gets cancelled. X to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n. N gets cancelled. We have x. That means identity function will get it. Second option is the right option. So whenever the question is like this, always remember, you can remember this one as a shortcut. I derived the shortcut. This is the shortcut. For the problems you can use. For example, one problem let me discuss. F of x equals to something 3 minus x to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7. Then f circle f of x is x. That's all answer. So now you can create so many questions like this. You can create so many questions. So like that, generally what the people generally do, they will give this one as a shortcut and they will discuss the problems. But even you can derive the shortcuts. Shortcuts can be derived by yourself, but we don't have the enough time to discuss how the shortcuts will be evolved. So with the help of your board examination problems and etc. by your own experience, so that we get the shortcuts. Okay, Yadav, right, 43rd. You are very attentive. 43rd. If f of x equals to 10 minus x to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7. You know the answer now. Everybody says answer. Then f circle f of x. F circle f of x. First option 10. Second option is x. Third option is x to the power of 7. Fourth option is 10 to the power of 7. Yes, exactly what you said. Really, I am so lucky because I have the good students. Right. Okay, but you try yourself also. Method also important, but you can remember it. Don't worry. So, because some offline viewers may be there, for the sake of them, so I will solve the problem. Not for you. Solution. So, f circle f of x means you need to find out f of x. So, f of 10 minus x to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7. So, that equal to 10 minus x to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7 and 7 and whole to the power of 1 by 7. This 7 gets cancelled. We have 10 minus 10 plus x to the power of 7 and whole to the power of 1 by 7. 10 gets cancelled. X to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7. X. But right. So even actually that is a reciprocity way. Why should I call that like that means because what if odd number of f circle f? Right, wonderful. Yes, same answer, Nana. You can apply. You can apply. That you need to check it now. So that is the idea. That is the innovative idea you need to think of. Suma, what you said is absolutely correct, and you check it now. That's all. That is left to you. So now the shortcut, let me even discuss a shortcut also. Shortcut. Because it is not for you, it is for offline viewers. If f of x equals to a minus x to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n, a greater than 0, and n is a natural number, then f circle f of x is always x. Right. So now you need to explore it, Nana. You can explore, no problem. That is the beauty of mathematics. 44. If 2f of x minus 3 times f of 1 by x equals to x square, x greater than 0 when x is positive, and x does not absolutely sorry, x does not equal to 0. That's enough. Right. Then f of 2, first option minus 7 upon 4, second one is 5 upon 2, third option is minus 1, fourth option is 2. Okay, this is actually because we don't have any shortcut for this one. This is very lengthy problem, because even these problems may appear in differentiation or integration also. That's why please need to concentrate on this one. So first we need to we need to define the function f of x. So what is given? 2 times f of x minus 3 times f of 1 by x is equal to x square, providing x does not equal to 0. Then we need to find out f of 2. So here see solution. Here given that 2 times f of x negative 3 times f of 1 by x, generally we need to say negative x square, say equation 1 this is. Now these kind of equations are called functional equations. These kind of equations are called functional equations. For your reference, the functional equations are very important for regional mathematics Olympiad or pre-regional mathematical Olympiad problems. There is a special problem, definitely one problem will appear from this concept. This concept will be very useful, so you can actually suggest to your juniors. So replace x by 1 by x. Let us see what happens. So this becomes 2 f of 1 by x minus 3 f of 1 by x is f of x equals to 1 by x square. Now just we developed actually here two equations. Now if you solve these two equations, we get f of x now. So how to solve them? So this can be written like this now. Let us say f of x is equal to something p, f of 1 by x is equal to something q. We get like this: 2p minus 3q is equal to x square. This will be 2q minus 3p equal to 1 by x square. So we need to solve this one. Okay. We require only p value. P value is enough. That's why this can be written 2p minus 3q x square minus 3p plus 2q equal to 1 by x square. Eliminating method you need to apply. Eliminating method. So eliminating method means subtract, multiply with this one with 3, this one with 2. You get like this: 6p minus 9q equal to 3x square minus 6p plus 4q equal to 2 upon x square. Adding 6p gets cancel. We have, sorry, we need p value. Am I correct now? Sorry, absolutely. I did mistake. I did mistake. Okay. So now we need to eliminate q. This is multiply with 2, multiply with 3. What happens now? 4p minus 6q, 2x square. This is minus 9p plus 6q equal to 3 upon x square. Adding these two cancel. Minus 5p equals to, here x square is the LCM. We have 2x to the power of 4 plus 3 you will be getting. Now p equals to 2x to the power of 4 plus 3 upon minus 5x square. This will be f of x. What we need to find out now? F of 2 we need to find out. F of 2. F of 2 means 2 into this will be 2 power 4 is 16 plus 3 minus 5 into 4. This is 35 minus 5 into 4. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. Minus 7 by 4. This is the answer. Minus 7 by 4. Okay, I will check the video. Don't worry. Now it's okay. It is okay now. Suma, Narla, right. Ajay Khanna. Chalasani, you need to subscribe. Okay, 45. Question number 45. Question number 45. First, ambiguous hacker. First, watch all my previous videos. Then ask me the question. F maps R to R is defined by f of x equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 and f of x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Then a plus b plus c plus d plus e equals to. This is the question. Right. First option is 1. Second option is 2. Third option is 30. Fourth option is 20. This is the question. F maps R to R is defined by f of x equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 and f of x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Then a plus b plus c plus d plus e equals to. That we need to find out. So that means actually here you do one thing. If you put here x is equal to 1, we get a plus b plus c plus d plus e. So that we need to do now. So put x is equal to 1, we get a plus b plus c plus, because 1 power 4 1, 1 power 3 1, 1 square 1, here 1, c plus d plus e equals to f of 1 square 1 minus 3 minus 2, whose value equal to f of minus 4. F of minus 4 means f of x. Here you need to substitute. Minus 4 square minus 3 into minus 4 plus 2. This will be 16 plus 12 plus 2, 14. 16 plus 14 is 30. So that means third option is the right option. Why we need to put only 1 means we need to get a plus b plus c plus d plus e. That can be obtained only if and only if x is equal to 1. Understood now? That's why I substituted x is equal to 1. Right now, let us move to the next problem. Okay. How to find domain of the functions. Domain of the functions. Domain of the functions. How to find domain of the functions. Okay. So first type 1. Type 1. If the function is if the function is in the form of f of x is equal to 1 by g of x. Sorry, wait. 1 by g of x. 1 by g of x. Then how to find out here domain of f? So that means domain of f means step 1. Equate g of x equals to 0 and solve for x. Let us say x equals to something alpha, beta, gamma and so on dash. Then step 2. Domain of f is given by domain equals to, we can write, generally we discuss all real functions itself only. Domain equals to except alpha, beta, gamma values, it takes all the real values. That's why we can write set of real numbers minus this set we need to subtract alpha, comma, beta, gamma and dash. So this is in this way we can find out the domain of the function which is in the form of 1 by f of g of x. Which competitive and examination, Vinil Kumar, you are applied? Could you reveal that examination name, because so that our viewers get to know. So let us discuss examples. So the domain of f of x equals to 1 by x minus 3. What is the domain of this function? Here see the solution. Now x minus 3 equal to 0, we get x is equal to 3. Basically x does not equal to 3. Domain equals to or set of real numbers minus the element 3. This is one example I have discussed. JEE and EAMCET, right, r minus 3. Now the domain of f of x equals to 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So domain of 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Solution. X square minus 5x plus 6 does not equal to 0 actually, but equal to 0. We get x minus 2 into x minus 3 factors. So that means x is equal to 2 or 3. When x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, X is equal to 3. Yes, it is useful for even university exams also. Right, now the domain equals to except 2, 3, any real value is satisfies. Domain R equals to R minus 2 comma 3. Set this is 2 comma 3, not interval. The two elements need to be actually deleted from the, this is the, so we discuss more examples in the problems. Just I discuss only two examples on the different models. Let us move to the type 2. Type 2. Type 2. Type 2. If the function is, if the function if it will be useful for even bit set also. If the function is in the form of f of x equals to root g of x, root g of x. See, step 1, g of x may be, for example, you see root value, root 0 is 0, but root of positive value defines, but root of negative value, this is positive, is does not belongs to real number. That means the input value, the g of x should not be negative. It may be 0, it may be positive. That's why we need to solve this inequation g of x greater than or equal to 0. So that means step 2 here is what? Domain of f. Domain of f, function f, equals to solution set of g of x greater than or equal to 0. G of x, yes, will be useful for NDA also. Actually whatever syllabus I have been discussing, it will be important for even Air Force examination, NDA, for PGT, postgraduate trained teacher, TGT, for any examination. Even you can ask your seniors also. So now important points need to be discussed. Important points. While attempting this domain problems, we may come across these doubts. First doubt: x minus a multiplied by x minus b is greater than or equal to 0. What is the solution? See, here remember a less than b. First equate to 0, you get a comma b. Then here you can write like this: x is less than or equal to a, or x is greater than or equal to b. Or you can write x belongs to minus infinity to a closed union b to infinity. B to infinity. So understood now. Second one, x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0, a less than b. Then x is less than a or x greater than b, or x belongs to minus infinity comma a open union b to infinity. That means actually here x does not between a and b. X does not be. Or you can write like this also. R minus open a comma b. You can write like this also. This we can write R minus closed a comma b. Closed a comma b. These are the intervals. Understood now? So next point. Third point. X minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0. A less than b. Yes, really useful. Lakshmi Manoj. Right. Then a less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to b, or x belongs to closed a comma b interval. And next fourth one, x minus a into x minus b less than 0, a less than b. Then a less than x, x less than b, or x belongs to open a comma b, open a comma b. So you need to concentrate on this one. Unless you do not know about this one, you may not solve the domain problems. Understood now? And one more. For example, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has imaginary roots, then ax square plus bx plus c, a does not equal to 0, and a will have same sign for every x belongs to set of real numbers. So these things you need to keep in mind while solving the domain problems. Okay, I hope you might have noted down, but only now whenever I explain the concepts, you are not actually concentrating. Problems everywhere you will get it. Don't worry. But concepts are very important. But if you remember the concept, because if you observe the previous EAMCET questions, that will be the more than that of even JEE mains examination. That's why really you are badly in need of the concepts. If you know the concepts, any problem easily you can solve it. I hope Goparam Sai, where had you been after a long time? Swati Singh okay, Karthik is okay. Somebody already had been to some other places. Am I correct? Preeti, right. So what is the question number now? Let us do one or two problems and we can make a move. So today it is stretch. I conducted actually 2 hours classes. That's why evening we don't have evening classes today. So tomorrow onwards there will be 2 sessions. Okay, you are not messaging. No problem. Right. What is the question number? Question number? Anybody? 46th. Thank you. Question number 46. Domain of 1 upon 6x minus x square minus 5 is, right, first option r, second option r minus 0, third option is r minus 5, fourth option r minus 1 comma 5. This is the question. So now this comes under actually type 1 problem. First type 1 and type 2 problems I will discuss. After that I go for type 3, type 4 problems also. Okay, now let us come to this question now. This is in the form of 1 by g of x. First g of x is equated to 0. 6x minus x square minus 5 equals to 0. Multiply with minus 1. You get x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. This we can write x minus 1 into x minus 5 equals to 0. So we get x is equal to 1 or 5. That means x does not equal to 1, x does not equal to 5. You can ask me one question. So what is the question means? Mahendra Hela, he will make the videos, don't worry. Now if you put x is equal to 1, 1 by 0, division by 0 is not defined. We should not divide any number with 0. So if you divide it, everybody will become a Ramanujam. Because the person who knows infinity is nothing but legend in mathematics. That is none other than our Indian mathematician, Ramanujam. Okay. So now 1 comma 5 need to be deleted from set of real numbers to get domain. Domain equals to set of real numbers minus 1 comma 5. So that means fourth option is the right option. Yes, Suma, Preeti, Swati, Infinite Kings. Okay. (47). Question number 47. The domain of the domain of 10 power x plus 10 power minus x, 10 power x, 10 power minus x is right. First option set of real numbers, second option set of real numbers minus 0, third option set of real numbers 1, fourth option set of positive real numbers. No problem. Vaibhav, you can leave without informing. Here it's clear that this 10 power x minus 10 to the power of minus x shall not be equal to 0. First, if you equate to 0, what will you get? Let us see. 10 power x minus 10 power minus x is equated to 0. So that means 10 power x equal to 10 power minus x. So bases are equal. That means x equals to minus x. Bring minus x this side. 2x equals to 0. So x is 0. That means x should not be equal to 0. That's why domain equals to r minus 0. Except 0, it accepts any real value. So that means we can substitute any real value other than 0. That means non-zero real number. Okay. Right. Okay, thank you. We shall meet you tomorrow by 9:30 class. Today I have my personal work. So I won't continue in the evening session. So you prepare yourself. Thank you, one and all. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay home. Stay safe.